So I love working in the northeast Victoria area. It's a great scenery, it's a great area for solar. We've got a really good climate in the area for it. So yeah, I love the half an hour trips just out of Albury-Wodonga to Yak and to Beechworth. For those areas, they're nice alpine, cool areas, great sunshine. Yeah, so we've been lucky to be involved with a lot of community projects. So it's a lot different than just your standard day-by-day installs. We sort of focus on a community area and do a group of installations, including mini grids or a lot of battery setups, commercial jobs, public halls and all those sorts of projects, yeah. So Solar Integrity focuses a lot in the Yackandandah, Beechworth communities in the last 12 months to 18 months, working with the local community groups to sort of incorporate a lot of solar in the area to try and reach a target of 100% renewable. So yeah, we're really proud to be partnering with the community with that, focusing on the customers and the community.